Hello everyone, in this video let's have a look at gut microbiome's role in digestion. Digestion is a complex process that our bodies carry out using a variety of chemicals. We are going to focus on the role of bacteria in digestion. Let's quickly just recap the digestive system before we move on to the bacteria. The digestive system is a group of organs that work together to break down and absorb nutrients. We have the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the intestine which is small and large, and the rectum and anus. It is important to remember that the process of digestion begins in mouth and ends in the anus. Chyme is a mixture of partially digested food and stomach acid. The chyme travels from the stomach to the duodenum. The initial segment of small intestine is the duodenum. This is the part where bile is made in the liver and enzyme made in the pancreas are mixed with the chyme from the duodenum. The chyme travels from the small intestine where major nutrients in the food are broken down and the digested product is absorbed into the bloodstream. After passing through the small intestine, the waste is transported into the large intestine where the water is absorbed. Many different types of bacteria are found in the gut. Scientists estimate that the gut contains between 300 and 1000 different types of bacteria, and total number of bacteria in one person's gut could be anything between 100 and trillion. That's a lot of bacteria. So what they are doing inside our digestive system? The most common important bacteria is the Lactobacillus species, which lives in our small intestine. The gut microbiota provides essential capacities for the fermentation of non-digestible substrates like dietary fiber and endogenous intestinal mucus. This fermentation supports the growth of specialist microbes that produce short-chain fatty acids and gases. The major short-chain fatty acids produced are acetate, propionate, and butyrate. When undigested carbohydrates enter the intestine, lactobacillus helps digest them. Otherwise, they would be lost from the body. And unused lactobacillus also help digest sugars which is found in dairy products. When the lactobacillus bacteria anaerobically respire, they produce lactic acid as a waste product. Although lactic acid in our muscles and gut is very useful because it keeps the pH of our gut acidic, which means pathogens, that is bad bacteria, cannot thrive. This helps protect us from bacterial infections. Lactobacillus also helps prevent too much yeast growth in our gut. The bacteria themselves are going to produce metabolic products for us to absorb and for us to use. The bacteria that live in the colon also produce some other metabolites, not the most abundant metabolites, something called short-chain fatty acids, including acetate, propionate, and butyrate. These are the three most common short-chain fatty acids. Butyrate also activates intestinal gluconeogenesis, thereby having beneficial effects on glucose and energy homeostasis. 18-butyrate is needed for epithelial cells to consume large amounts of oxygen via beta oxidation, thereby maintaining the oxygen balance in the gut. It is also known for its anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. It has a role in the development of intestinal barrier. Propionate and acetate, on the other hand, reach the liver and peripheral tissues. Propionate in the liver regulates gluconeogenesis and satiety signaling through interplay with the gut fatty acid receptors, whereas acetate in the peripheral tissues is used for lipogenesis and cholesterol metabolism. Acetate also regulates central appetite and it is essential for the growth of other bacteria. Bacteria have carbohydrate binding molecules and an extensive set of enzymes such as glycoside hydrolysis, glucosyl transferases, polysaccharide lysis, and carbohydrate esterases that allow them to hydrolyze a wide range of fibers. Therefore, consuming a variety of dietary fibers, example cellulose, hemicellulose, fructans, gums, pectins, and resistant starches in the diet is therefore beneficial to the habitat of gut. Thank you.